Welcome back to Right Style Cooking TV. Today we are going to do a loin pork chop, and this will be brown stewed. Okay, and start with dry seasoning. 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon chives, 2 teaspoons perfect seasoning, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon allspice, 1 teaspoon cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon Old Bay seasoning. For the vegetable seasoning, I'm gonna add 1 small red bell pepper, 1 small green bell pepper, a small tomato, small onion, and 3 cloves of garlic. I'm gonna rub this in. This is 2.5 pounds of loin pork chops. I'll get back to you when I'm finished seasoning. Okay, I'm back with this wonderful recipe. This will be brown stewed loin chops. I'm removing the marinade from the chops. This I'll do before browning them. So, removing marinade from the chop. These are the marinades I remove from the chops. The onions, bell pepper, green and red, and garlic, etc. Okay, in this pot I have 3 tablespoons of oil. I'll be browning the loin pieces. I'll brown them each 3 minutes on both sides. how lovely they look. It smells great. I've browned all the loin chops pieces. Now I'll be stewing them. I'll be adding 2 cups of water. Then I'll be covering the pot and cook them on low heat until they get tender. These loin chop pieces were marinated for 1 hour in the refrigerator. Correction, 1 day, 24 hours. Okay, checking my pot again. The loin chops are looking very good and it's bubbling. You know, normally pork take a minimum 2 hours to cook. So right now I've gone 25 minutes, so you know, that's another hour plus. Okay, so I'll be covering the pot again. Okay, I'll be adding the marinade to the loin chops now. Loin pork chops. Just check them. They are cooked, thoroughly cooked. So this will be the last section of the cooking of these. Add in the marinade, then simmer it down. How lovely it looks, and the aroma is outstanding. Okay, the loin pork chops are looking very wonderful now. I just tasted it. It's properly seasoned, and like I said, the aroma is so wonderful. It makes this kitchen smell so good. How lovely it looks. I'll be taking it off in another 10 minutes. Okay, the pork loin chops finally finished, and I've plated some. How lovely it looks. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel.